Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival and today I'll be showing you how to make a photo slide on Inshot. So let's head to the application. This is Inshot. Then to make photo slide, simply click on video, create new. Then when it opens up this, just go to photo. So like I told you, if the photos you want to use are very far, you can just click on this. It brings up your folders and then you just go to the folder and select it. But since this is tutorial, I will be using most of the photos we've created in the course of this tutorial. So I'll just select the photos here. I'll select this. Okay. I'll select this. Okay, which other photo again? Okay, I'll select this. I'll select this. I'll select this. I'll select this. Okay. I think that's okay for it. I'll select this again and then I'll click this icon here, this good here, and it loads. So now let's play it to see what it looks like. You see it's playing, it's just changing, no much life in it. You see, no much life in it. So this is what you can do with it, and it's even running too slow. I need to delete one. So this is the much you can do to it now. Take a look at this. Let me show you. Take a look at this. That is where you start up your animation. So here I will click this and maybe put this. Let me put this. I think this one will be okay. Let me put this. Okay. And then I'll click on this good here. Okay. I'll go to this one, click this. All these ones are transitions. They add more life to your photo slide. I'll put this. Okay. I'll come here. Let me try this. Okay. So I think this one is for paid version. So I need to. So let me use these free ones. Okay. Maybe I'll go for this. Let me go for this. I'll put it. I'll come here. I'll just use it. Let me go for this. I'll come here and probably go for this. Okay. I just keep editing it, putting in things here. Okay. I'll click this one again and go for this. Click on the good here. I'll click this one and go for this. Okay. I'll click on this one again and possibly go for this again. Okay, that's it. So let's play it to see what it looks like. This is it. You see how it changes? You see it? Okay. That is photo slide. Now there are other things you can do now. When you click on a particular photo like this, I just clicked on one, I can delete it, I can copy it, I can flip it. This is flip, I believe you can see it. I can rotate it. You see it? And most importantly, I can change the speed. I think one thing you need to know here is changing the speed, because sometimes you need it to be fast. So I'm changing the speed to, let's say, 2 seconds. Okay. I'll come over here, change the speed of this one again to 2 seconds. Okay. I'll change this one again to 2 seconds, the speed to 2 seconds. Okay, I'll change this one again to 2 seconds. Okay, I'll change this one to 2 seconds. Okay, I'll change this one again to 2 seconds. Okay, I'll change all of them to 2 seconds. Okay, I'll change this one to 2 seconds. Okay, I'll change this one again to 2 seconds. Speed 2 seconds. Okay, I'll change this one to 2 seconds. Speed 2 seconds. Okay, I'll change this one to 2 seconds again. You can you can even apply it manually. You can just put it 2 seconds. You can apply it manually. So now let's play it to see what it will look like. You can see it. So that's it. One thing again I need to show you how to do here is to put in a background music to it. So I'll pick a music. So I'll go to tracks. I'll click on tracks here. I'll click on tracks. So now I'll click on my music. I'll click on my music. You see, I have more than 5,000 sounds on my system, on my phone, and I cannot keep scrolling down looking for it. The best way to go for it is just this, by using this open from. That's the best and easiest way. Once I use this open from, it opens my gallery, and with that I can just go to the folder where I think I'm having the music. I'll just go to my folder here and go to audio. This is where my music is. I'll come over to, I think I have good songs here. Then maybe I'll just choose this. I don't even know what it sounds like. I'll just choose it. So now you see, if you notice, this is where my music is placed and it's not at the beginning of the video. This is what you can do. Just click and hold on the soundtrack there and then draw it. You can see it. I'll click again and hold on it and then draw it. So I believe you can see it. So now I'll play it and you see what it will look like. This so that I'll get something good. So now that I just clicked on it, I'll come over here and delete it. So let me go for another track. I don't like this track, so I'll go for another one here. Open from. I don't know the best one I can go for now. Okay, let me just go back a little bit. Okay, so I'll go to audio. I'll go to this. Okay, I think I love this, so I'll use this. I'll click on it again and just draw it in order to set it to the beginning of the video. So this is it now. I'll play it. So don't mind the fact that the music is very much longer than the pictures. The video will automatically stop where the pictures or the video ends. It doesn't play music alone. There must be a video there. So having selected the music of my choice, I can click on this mark here to just go back to the main. Can click on this to go back to the main menu. But there are other things you can still do with this music. So if I click on it now, I can reduce the volume, maybe. So now the fade out and the fade in, they read in seconds. So if you add a 2 seconds fade in and 2 seconds fade out, I think it will make your video to look nice. Let's play it again. So let's play it again. So that is it. And as well, you can decide to add text to it. But for this thing, I mean for photo slide, I don't advise you to add text, but if you want, you can do that. But just try to use it, just use a little text. You can also add sticker to it. This is sticker. You can put in this, or maybe share or whatever, whichever one you want is okay. So when you are done, you just click on this good. You can add in your personal picture as sticker. You can decide to add in sticker, anyone can as well do this. Let me add the sticker again. Let me put in my logo as sticker. This is my logo. You can resize it. When you hold on it, you can draw it to any position you feel like. Okay, and you can still do other things to it. Maybe I've selected that. I can click on this good. So there are other things you can do to this sticker. Just click on this. You can see it, this edit option, and you add maybe 1 or 2 animations to it. So this is it. If I put in this now, you see what my sticker is doing. I can as well increase the speed or decrease it. It's very slow now. You see it. Can as well make it stop at a point. I can use this. I can use this. I can use this. I can use this. So you can just try them out. But I think I'm more comfortable with this. So I'll just click on this mark, this good here, and then it will enter. Then another thing I need to show you again about this is when you click the edge of this sticker, let me show you. This is the edge. When you click on this edge here or this edge here, you can draw this sticker. You can make it longer. When you click and hold on it, you can make it longer. And as well, when you click on it once, it will give you option to move it, to make it longer till the beginning of this clip or to the beginning of the video. I'll make it to the beginning of the video. You see where it stretches to. This one also, I'll make it to go to the video end. You see where it stretches to. So now let's play it again. So that's the much you can do with this sticker. That's the much you can do with it. I will not advise you to use too much effects or to start trimming, but as well you can decide to add a video in between your photo slide. I think that's also nice and acceptable. You can do that. So that's the basic things you need to know about photo slide. You can check out other options there. So for your assignment, please try to do 1 or 2 photo slides, add a video to it, a very short video to it, and then much of pictures, put in transitions in between, change the speed, and make sure it's having an exact speed. Don't make it scattered like mine. When you click on a video like this, you click on speed, you click on this edit button, you click on this edit button, you click on it, and with that you input an exact number of seconds there. Make sure you apply that same seconds to all other pictures except the one you want to last longer. Put in transitions in between the pictures and videos, put in a very short video clip to it, put in a sticker or a picture that will be there rotating like this one. And then I think you can also explore the app and use in other features, but don't use a lot of design on it because it will spoil it. So that is your assignment. When you are done with your video, you click on save, which is at the top right side of your screen, and with that you save your video. So I love exporting mine in, let's say, 720. So it's already saving, so it's converting my video. So when it's done, we'll try to check it out to see what we've done. So our video has just finished saving, and then the next thing we need to do now is to play it. Let's see what it looks like. So that is how you make photo slide using Inshot. So thank you so much for watching. See you next class. God bless you.